I don't usually like to talk about my plans for the future because I'm a very private person. But then again, I have a YouTube channel where I document every single part of my life. So here is the video where I document what I expect from the future and what my plans are really. I'll start off with short-term goals, 4 years, like abhi ye bachelor's chal raha, right? So short-term goals. First and foremost, YouTube channel, like monetary gain. I expect to be at least 100,000 subscribers with 4 years of hard work, consistency and determination. I also want to be very readily employable. I want to be an invaluable asset to companies. I want the best of both worlds really. Like I want to be employable while having a YouTube channel that's successful. So I don't need to work if I don't want to, magar I can work if I want to. So and secondly, I expect to be jacked. 4 साल में जिम मारेंगे भाई, अभी फिजिक देखो भाई, क्या है भाई, ये क्या है, कुछ भी नहीं है भाई. तो वही भाई, थोड़ा लुक्स मैक्सिंग भी करेंगे 4 साल तक. एटलीस्ट 7 to 8 out of 10 बनना है मेरे को, मॉगर बनना है. इट्स लाइक अ पार्ट ऑफ माय गोल भाई. मैं 15 साल का था जब से इतना रिलीजियसली ऑब्सेस करा कि लुक्स मैक्सिंग, न्यूइंग, लाइक ये सब करते हुए बैठा हुआ था भाई मैं. जब दूसरे बच्चे पबजी फ्री फायर खेलते हुए बैठे हुए थे, अपने भाई लुक्स मैक्सिंग रिसर्च कर रहे थे ब्रो. तो वही भाई, लाइक थोड़ा अच्छे दिखेंगे, यू नो. एंड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट रिलेशनशिप्स. आई एक्सपेक्ट टू फाइंड समवन हु suitable, compatible, long term relationship के वास्ते. I don't do short term bro. Casual मेरे लिए like समझ में नहीं आता मेरे को कभी भी. Like why? What's the point? Genuinely. I don't know about you मगर I've never gotten the point of casual dating. थोड़े लोग करते, you know, I guess that's just like a personal opinion, like personal thoughts, casual dating and like long term. Now that we've gotten monetary gain, relationships out of the way, let's talk about long term goals. 10 years. In 10 years time, I will be 28 years old. Sorry about that. So in 10 years time I will be 28 years old. I expect to be married really, yeah. Like being 30 married to a 18-year-old. So it's just like my own opinion, my humble opinion. I don't know about you, magar like the dynamic is crazy to me. Like it was something I would do honestly. When I'm 40 years old, I'll marry like an 18-year-old and I'll call it a day cause like I'm not going to live that long, bro. भाई इतने सारे रिटार्डेड चीज अगर आए, कट माई लाइफ स्पैन बाय लाइक 10 years. यू नो बोलते ना लाइक men die faster. I can tell why भाई. अपन रिटायर्डेड चीज करके जल्दी मर जाते ब्रो. 24 hour स्टडी चैलेंज JEE डेज में करा ब्रो मैं. 19 hours पढ़ के आई पास्ड आउट भाई. इतना गंदा बर्न आउट हुआ उसके बाद भाई, पूछो ही ना कुछ. GOC कर रहा था भाई मैं. दिस इज व्हाई वुमेन लिव लॉन्गर देन men bro. I'm telling you. We do retarded shit and we die early. जब मैं मर जाता हूँ बच्चों के लिए बाप तो नहीं रहता भाई, अम्मा तो रहना भाई. भाई उतना लॉन्ग टर्म थिंकिंग रहना. लाइक मैं तो मर जाता हूँ भाई, मैं मरा तो मरा, मतलब उन लोगों को एक तो भी पेरेंट रहना. तो अगर उन्हें 18 years old रही तो शील बी विद देम अंटिल द लेट 30s ब्रो. मेरा क्या है कि भाई लाइक जेन्युइनली मे बी इन द फ्यूचर मैं रियलाइज करता हूँ ओ शिट भाई हेल्थ का ख्याल रखना है. मगर अभी तो अपने भाई थोड़ा रिटार्डेड है, थोड़े स्क्रूज लूज है दिमाग में. तो वही भाई अपन करते रहते अपने दीवाने हौले हर खता. वही भाई दैट इज द प्लान, लाइक एंड गेम प्लान फॉर मी एटलीस्ट, कि अम्मा देख लेती बच्चों को. सो मेरा क्या है कि ब्रो आई डोंट इवन नो इफ आई मेक अ गुड डैड टू बी ऑनेस्ट. आई हैव नेवर really opened up about this magar like I don't want generational trauma to be passed on to my children. Because of that I don't know if I'll ever have kids. Like that's purely out of my own option. I don't want to talk about this topic because it's very personal to me. It's very deep and sentimental. Magar I don't know if I'd ever want to birth kids purely because like I doubt I'd make a good father. Yeah. Like even if I do have kids, I don't know if I'll be able to be present enough because I'm always so caught up in work. काम करते रहता हूँ मैं. I'm just focused on work all of the time and I don't know if I'll manage to like fit in kids like parenting in the same time. Because parenting is a full-time job in itself. How am I meant to balance everything? Maybe I'll be in a different part of life. Maybe my ideologies and my values will change over time. But for now, like I'm very into hustle culture, right? That's my whole identity. I really fuck with hustle culture. That's like the one thing that I won't leave behind no matter what happens. I was going to go over shallow topics like, you know, finances and relationships, but I didn't really expect to talk about kids because that's like 20 years from now, right? I literally have a whole document on my PC documenting what I need to get done like in 10 years time, 20 years time. And of course I have short-term goals as well, but like there's no point bhai. Like the short-term goals are to reach the long-term goal jo hai. Of course it's better off if I just tell you the long-term goal rather than short-term goal ki 2027 tak ye karna hai bhai, 10 saal mein kya karna hai, simple as that. क्या होना था 10 साल में. And in 10 years time my income, yeah, in 10 years time I expect to at least earn like 10 lakhs per month. Yeah, अगर 10 साल काम करे तो that's like the bare minimum bro. Like, I don't know what to tell you. अगर 10 साल गान के साई कराम है तो I do kind of expect to earn that much. Yeah, and I wouldn't be like delusional to think that. कॉलेज के बच्चे देखते भाई ये videos. I don't know why they found my channel. अच्छा खासा चल रहा था bro. ये सब पर्सनल बातें मालूम हो जाते हैं उन लोगों को जो मैं खाली YouTube के सामने बोलता हूँ. मुंह के सामने तो उन लोगों को बोलता भी नहीं मैं ये सब. I don't know how they found my channel either bro. It's crazy shit. And within 30 years I'll probably end up dead. 48 तक भाई लाश बन जाते। देखेंगे भाई, जो होता होता, अल्लाह पाक को मालूम। खैर अपन तो गोल्स रख सकते हैं, जस्ट गॉड प्लान्स, अल्लाह ताला सब डालते प्लान, मतलब एग्जीक्यूट होता क्या नहीं। तो वही भाई वही 30 years from now, I don't see a future. And this is not just depression, it's just me being realistic with the rate I go through things, with the rate I'm going through things. No sleep, work, like I'm probably gonna work myself to death. I can imagine myself being in the ICU, like in my last moments and recording it just for YouTube cloud. मरे बाद भी cloud मिलता bro. Probably कुछ deep enrooted trauma, like dumb shit रहता होगा, तो therapist को बोले तो उन्हें ठीक कर लेता। पर अपने भाई fix नहीं होना चाह रहे भाई, अपन टूटे हुए हैं मगर चला रहे ना भाई। कैसा है मालूम, कुछ चल रहा ना भाई, तो उसमें कुछ घान मस्ती करके उसको ठीक करने नहीं जाना। If it works, it works, but don't try to fuck it up like by trying to fix what works. Only fix what doesn't work. Only fix what's broken basically. तो अभी I'm fine, right? So what's the problem? देखेंगे, maybe I'll react to this video 30 years later. देखेंगे जब सिविल क्या बोलता भाई, जब क्या 30 years में 48-year-old सिविल भाई crazy, पूरा सूट पहन लेके सिगार। Bro, crazy shit. तो वही भाई, these are my plans. 10 lakhs per month in 10 years time is not too unreasonable for me. उससे पहले भी goals है, like एक साल में I want to earn 1 lakh per month profit, which I do believe is possible अगर मैं बहुत गान घिसाई करा, like not revenue 1 lakh, like profit, right? And I do believe that I'll be able to accomplish that goal. Like I genuinely do believe कि वो हो जाएगा. And yeah, I think that's about it for now. I hope you have a very elastic day, bro. This is your neighborhood friendly civil signing off, and as always, bye.